Hey guys, Star here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to actually preview as well as download and share certificates and badges in HighLevel. So if you're offering courses, coaching programs, any type of certification, or even acknowledging your staff's skill set, then this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. On the left-hand side, let's go ahead and click on memberships. Once you've clicked on memberships, we're going to scroll to the top and click on credentials. Here, you're going to see an option to create a certificate or a badge. You'll want to go ahead and create your certificate, for example. You can start from scratch and name it, or you can use a template. Let's go ahead and use a template. Now, there are a couple things that I want to point out about this template. You'll want to make sure that you actually go ahead and fully include your date as well as your signature. So you'll see here you have various options. You can adjust the text by adding various headings, for example. You have subheadings as well as normal text. Then you have elements if you want to add any lines, shapes, ribbons, or icons and graphics. You can also do that. We also have frames, so if you don't like the frame of the certificate, that can be changed out as well. And you can upload your own image from the media library or insert an image URL. Now, what I want to show you is the signature option, so you can go ahead and add in the signature name as well as the title. And so once you've done that, just go ahead and drag and drop where you'd like for your signature to land on the certificate and go ahead and just move those down. Also, you can change the color and the font of your signatures so that they're visible. And then you want to be sure that you include a date. So I'm going to go ahead back to text and I'll add that normal text and I'll go ahead and put in the date. And again, you can just go ahead and play with the colors of your font. And again, you can go ahead and adjust the colors of your font. And you can also adjust the background colors. You can use our gradient colors as well. And you can also resize. So once you have your certificate fully formatted, then we're going to go ahead and save it. So I'm going to name this template, and then I'm going to go ahead and save it. You can also preview it and you can send it directly here from the builder as well. So now you can go back to your templates and you'll see that we have this certificate template here, and I can just go ahead and I can preview that template, and there will be certain functions that you can actually see within the template. But in order for you to fully do things like share it and download it, then it will already need to be issued. So let's go ahead and issue the certificate. In order to issue it, you will need to have the instructor's name. So you'll go ahead and put the instructor's name, and you'll want to add the recipient. Once you've added that recipient, you can use our default template for the email, or you can go ahead and customize that email with a different subject line or utilize a different template by hitting confirm. I'm going to go ahead and use the default template, so I'll go ahead and send that email out. So now that that certificate has been issued, let's go take a look at issued certificates. So we have our templates here. Now we have our issued certificates, and you'll want to make sure that you clear your dates or put in the correct dates so that you can find these certificates that have actually been issued. And you'll also see an option for issued badges. So let's take a look at this particular certificate that was issued today. So you'll see here that the date that it was actually issued and the time. And I want you to notice the three dots here to the right. You can actually revoke access, you can renew it, you can set an expiry date, or you can preview it. Let's go ahead and set an expiration date and set this expiration date out for about 1 year out, and I'll set that date. Now we can actually preview the certificate, and the preview that HighLevel has is so incredible. So you can see we have our certificate here. We have everything that we wanted to add when we customized this template. We can see who it was issued to. We can see who it was issued by. Also add it to a LinkedIn profile by clicking Add to LinkedIn Profile. You can also download the certificate by clicking the Download button. And we also have credential verification. So you'll see here that I added that expiry date. So I have the issue date of January 10th, and I have that expiration date shown here. And what you can do is you can actually verify the credential. And you can see that it's going through the verification process by verifying the recipient, verifying the issuer, as well as the credentials ID. So you will have a unique identifier showing that this certificate is an actual valid credential. Additionally, you can share the credential across social networks. We have Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Start using HighLevel's credential preview experience today for fast and easy downloading, sharing of certificates, as well as verification. Don't forget to check out our help doc below this video and check out our Content Army playlist for more tutorials like this. I'll see you guys on the next one.